How Oreo cookies are made in factories. Oreo cookies, with their irresistible combination of chocolatey cookie shells and a creamy filling, have become an iconic and beloved treat enjoyed by people of all ages across the globe. While we savor the delightful tastes and familiar twists, lick, and dunk rituals of Oreo consumption, the journey of these sandwich cookies begins long before they reach our fingertips. Oreo cookies are meticulously crafted in large-scale factories using a highly automated and controlled production process. This process involves various stages, from ingredient mixing to packaging and shipping, ensuring that every Oreo cookie maintains its consistent quality and signature flavor. In this video of how Oreo cookies are made in factories, we'll delve into each step of the manufacturing process, revealing the art and science behind the creation of this beloved snack. Ingredient mixing. The first step in making Oreo cookies is ingredient mixing. The primary ingredients for Oreo cookies include sugar, flour, cocoa, vegetable oils, leavening agents, and flavorings. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed in large industrial mixers. The goal is to create a consistent dough. The mixing process is precise, ensuring that the ingredients are evenly distributed to achieve a uniform flavor and texture in the final product. Specific proportions and mixing times are followed to maintain the Oreo cookie's signature taste and texture. Dough formation. The next stage in the Oreo cookie manufacturing process is dough formation. Once the ingredients are thoroughly mixed, the resulting dough is shaped into a specific form. In the case of Oreo cookies, this typically involves creating a continuous sheet of dough. The dough is usually quite thick at this stage. This dough sheet will serve as the base for the individual cookie rounds that make up the Oreo sandwich cookies. The thickness and consistency of the dough are critical to achieving the desired texture and appearance of the final product. The dough is carefully controlled to ensure it is uniform and suitable for the subsequent steps in the production process. Cookie cutting. After the dough has been properly shaped into a continuous sheet, the next step in the Oreo cookie manufacturing process is cookie cutting. This process involves passing the dough sheet through a machine equipped with cookie cutting molds. These molds are designed to create the iconic circular shape of Oreo cookies, complete with a distinct pattern and markings. The machine cuts the dough into individual cookie rounds, each with its own characteristic design. The precision of the cookie cutting process is essential to maintaining consistency in the appearance and size of each Oreo cookie. The molds ensure that each cookie is virtually identical, meeting high standards for product quality and presentation. The cookie rounds are then ready to be baked to perfection in the next phase of the manufacturing process, baking. Following the cookie cutting stage, the Oreo cookie dough rounds are sent to a tunnel oven for baking. This is a crucial step in the production process that imparts the cookies with their characteristic texture and taste. The tunnel oven is a large, controlled environment where the cookies are baked at precise temperatures and for specific durations. During baking, the dough rounds transform into the familiar chocolate cookie shells of the Oreo. Heat causes the leavening agents to produce small pockets of air within the dough, resulting in a light, crisp texture. The baking process also brings out the cocoa flavor and deepens the color of the cookies. Temperature and time control are essential during baking to ensure consistent quality across all cookies. The automated system in the tunnel oven carefully monitors and adjusts these factors. After baking, the cookies emerge with the ideal texture and flavor, ready to be filled with the creamy center that defines Oreo cookies. Cream filling. The cream filling is a signature element of Oreo cookies, and it's prepared while the cookie shells are being baked. The filling typically consists of a sweet, creamy mixture with a flavor profile that complements the chocolate cookie shells. While the exact recipe and ingredients used for the filling are closely guarded trade secrets by the manufacturer, the filling typically contains sugar, vegetable oils, and other flavorings. The cream filling is prepared in large batches and then deposited onto one of the baked cookie halves. Once the filling is applied, another cookie half is pressed on top to create the classic sandwich structure that defines Oreo cookies. The cream filling not only adds a sweet and creamy contrast to the chocolatey cookie, but also serves to adhere the two halves together, forming the iconic Oreo sandwich. The quantity and consistency of the filling are crucial to achieving the perfect balance of taste and texture in the final product. The precision and care that go into the cream filling process are integral to Oreo's overall quality and appeal. Sandwich assembly. The sandwich assembly is the final step in creating Oreo cookies. This is where the two cookie halves, each filled with a creamy mixture, are joined together to form the classic sandwich structure that Oreo cookies are known for. The process involves gently pressing the two cookie halves together, ensuring that the creamy filling is evenly distributed between them. The sandwich assembly is a critical step in achieving the perfect Oreo cookie. It must be done with care to ensure that the cookies are firmly joined without damaging the delicate cookie shells. The result is a seamless integration of the creamy center and the chocolatey cookie halves, creating a satisfying and harmonious flavor and texture combination. Once the sandwiches are assembled, they undergo final quality checks to ensure that they meet the manufacturer's standards for appearance, taste, and texture. Those that pass these checks move on to the packaging stage, where they are prepared for distribution to retailers and ultimately, consumers. Quality control. Quality control is an integral part of the Oreo cookie manufacturing process, and it is implemented at various stages to ensure that every cookie meets the manufacturer's stringent standards for taste, appearance, and texture. Throughout the production line, dedicated personnel and automated systems work together to maintain consistent quality. Quality control checks typically involve inspecting the cookies for attributes such as size, shape, color, and texture. This ensures that the cookies are uniform and that there are no defects or variations that could affect the overall product quality. Taste testing may also be part of the quality control process to confirm that the cookies maintain their signature Oreo flavor. Cookies that do not meet the established quality criteria are typically removed from the production line to prevent them from reaching the market. This commitment to quality control is crucial to preserving the reputation of Oreo cookies as a reliable and consistent snack enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Packaging. Packaging is the penultimate stage of the Oreo cookie manufacturing process. Once the cookies have passed through quality control checks and are confirmed to meet the company's rigorous standards for taste, appearance, and texture, they are sent to packaging machines. During the packaging phase, the Oreo cookies are carefully placed into sleeves, trays, or other packaging materials depending on the specific product format. The packaging typically features the iconic Oreo branding and design, ensuring that the product is easily recognizable on store shelves. The packaging process is highly automated and efficient to handle the large-scale production of Oreo cookies. Once the cookies are securely packaged, they are then placed in boxes or larger containers, ready for distribution. Proper packaging is not only important for maintaining product freshness and quality, but also plays a crucial role in brand identity and consumer recognition. Oreo's distinctive packaging design has become an integral part of the cookie's overall appeal and market success. Shipping. After the Oreo cookies are carefully packaged, they are prepared for shipping to various distribution centers, warehouses, and ultimately retailers around the world. Shipping is the final step in the process of getting Oreo cookies into the hands of consumers. The packaged cookies are typically loaded onto pallets or placed in shipping containers, which are then transported using various modes of transportation, including trucks, trains, ships, and sometimes even airplanes, depending on the destination and the urgency of delivery. The goal is to ensure that Oreo cookies are available on store shelves when consumers want to purchase them. Efficient shipping logistics are crucial to meeting demand and maintaining product availability, especially given Oreo's popularity and wide distribution. Advanced tracking and scheduling systems are often used to coordinate and optimize the movement of these cookies from the manufacturing facility to retail outlets, allowing them to reach customers' hands in optimal condition and at the right time. It's important to note that the entire manufacturing process is highly automated to maintain consistency and quality across the millions of cookies produced daily. The exact ingredients and recipes used by Oreo's manufacturer, Mondelez International, are proprietary and closely guarded secrets. The process described here is a general overview of how such sandwich cookies are typically made in large-scale food production facilities.